Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and I just wanted to say a massive thank you. Once again, I've hit another subscriber milestone. So today, or yesterday, I hit 300 subscribers, and I am absolutely over the moon. So just a quick update today, and a few shout outs. Firstly to Dave Jaguar66 for this incredible t-shirt. Go over and check out his channel. He does lots of cool videos about rebuilding his minis, and he has got a beautiful collection there, along with a beautiful collection of Jaguars, and he has a stunning E-Type, so be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel. The Mini is, well, it's still a little bit worse to wear. The floor is welded in, and it's all watertight as well. I'll show you around here. The repair sections are all done, and I've even welded up the air vent because that was probably the easiest thing to do. So, I better turn around, that's a right mess over there. So yeah, the Mini is getting on well. Of the jobs I've done my units. I've got to do over there still, so that still needs to be a bit of a mess, and I need to tidy up in here a little bit. But overall, I am so happy, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel, supporting the channel, and hopefully long may it continue. So the next milestone is 400 subscribers. When I get to 500, I think I might look into doing a little bit of a giveaway. But yeah, it's incredible. Thank you so much. Thank you for following this journey. Hopefully we'll get this Mini done. It's like 16 weeks to the IMM, so I am, myself a little bit. And hopefully we'll get this sorted. So thank you for watching, stay tuned. If you can, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, and I will see you next time. Take it easy guys, and thank you.